Hey everyone, I'm Thomas Lundberg. I'm the founder and CEO for Sellfy AI, where we automate sales with AI. So just a little background on me. I have a background in sales. I was one of the owners at Fox Pest Control. We sold our company a few years ago to Rollins, and I got a lot of experience with doing an outbound sales program and really springboarded my experience into Sellfy AI. So really what we do at a high level is we automate sales with over text with AI. So think about it like this. We create an AI persona for your company, and then we do campaigns where we fully automate a two-way conversation as if we're a sales rep, and we close the sale. So we're gonna get a signed contract, we're gonna get update their payment method, and then we're gonna get them on the schedule. And we do that all automatically within the CRM, so like Field Routes or PestPack. So it's really smooth, very powerful, and very scalable. So like just a couple examples here. So we work with Rollins. They have a brand, Home Team. If you're familiar with them, this last winter, we did some upselling campaigns for fire ants, and we sold probably around 2,000 accounts this last winter, and are on track to do thousands of accounts doing upselling mosquito and winning back canceled customers for general pest control. So there's a few use cases as examples. Okay, so what are the current solutions for what we're doing, for what Sellfy is doing? So, one, you can hire a sales team. Two, you can do it through software like Drip Campaigns, or kind of a combination of number one and three is you can kind of do everything manually, like manual text messages and everything. So challenge number one, well, you can actually do both. It's not like you can't, have a sales team and have Sellfy. We have a lot of clients that do both. And we complement each other in different ways. So a lot of our communication is going to be over text, for example, where they might have a sales team that does their communication over phone call. Now, the pro to Sellfy is we can actually close 2 to 3 times more sales because we have such a higher engagement and it's way customized, and we're following up automatically, right? So there's a huge added benefit there. Now, when we're talking about like cold emails or drip campaigns with emails and stuff, you have low conversion rates. Yes, they do work, so it's better than nothing for sure. You're going to run into the same issue though. You're not going to have very much hyper personalization. It's going to be pretty, canned messages and so forth. And then the third one, doing like manual texts or kind of doing a hybrid of, sending out a canned message plus, a human response. You're going to be limited with volume and scale, as well as hyper-personalization and speed to lead, right? So we want to make sure that we're responding in a timely manner, as well as following up and engaging those leads. And so that's why we see, significantly higher closing rates with our software compared to some alternatives. All right, so to recap here, here's why Sellfy is so unique. We really can pretty much automate the entire sales process within our software. So, we'll create an AI persona just for your brand, speaks like you, talks like you, overcomes objections, follows up. It's fully automated and integrated with your CRM like PestPack or Field Routes. We have more to come as well. And it's fully scalable. So you can take it from 0 to thousands of sales really as fast as your technicians can service the accounts. We can sell those accounts. And the best part is we're commission based. So you only pay for what we sell. So for most use cases, when we're doing a win back or an upsell or something like that outbound, it's going to be 45% of the contract value. Other use cases are going to have different prices. So if we're just setting appointments, we're going to charge $100 per appointment. But if we're not making sales, we're not setting appointments, we're not closing those deals for you or whatever, you don't pay a dime. So what's awesome is you only pay for what we sell. And then what's also nice is we have no contract, no subscription, no setup fees. Really, it's really easy to start. You just implement it, start making sales, and you only pay for the results. All right, so here's some bonuses for you. Our services are in very high demand, and so we operate on a first come, first served basis. So the sooner you get involved, the sooner you create an account, the higher chance you have of getting priority in us helping you and setting up an account and creating an AI persona, giving you a dedicated account executive. For the first companies that get signed up, we're giving them a dedicated account executive at no additional cost to kind of help do that whole process and give you a white glove experience. And then just keep in mind that we do have a lot of promotions going on. So I think right now we've got a $500 promotion before the season. If you get your first campaign launched within the first 30 days. So next steps, create an account, get started. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or get on our schedule. You can book a call with one of our team members. We'd be happy to walk you through the process. So thank you so much. Excited to work with you, excited to automate sales for you at Sellfy AI.